In this video, you will learn how to apply and successfully get a loan on Chime. First, check your credit score and eligibility. Chime's products like its Credit Builder Card work by reporting your credit score. It essentially understands your credit score and financial situation. This can be done as it helps you improve your credit score and allows you to make purchases and pay them off. Eligibility. To use products like Credit Builder, you will need to have a Chime checking account. Open a Chime account. If you do not have a Chime account already, download the Chime app on iPhone or iOS, or on Android. Then, sign up for an account. You will need basic details and your government ID to complete the sign up process. Set up a direct deposit. This is required for some features, like the Credit Builder Card on Chime. Explore. Explore Chime's Credit Builder Card. Apply. Apply for the card. You can apply directly through the Chime app to get the Credit Builder Card. Use the card. Make purchases and pay them off. Just works like a regular debit card. Explore. Explore third-party loan options. Check eligibility for third-party loans. Visit the Chime app or website to see if they'll offer you any loans, in partnership with third-party services. Review. Review and apply. Once you find a loan, review the terms and follow the process to apply for it, if you want it. Consider. Consider a personal loan from another lender. If you need a larger loan, you can still use Chime to manage your finances. However, a traditional bank may give you more money. Use Chime. Use Chime's saving tool. Automatic saving feature. Chime automatic saving tools can help you save money and make future payments on your loan. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.